Good morning, guys. Today on Customer States What? CSW inherits a Honda CR-V job that we are not happy with. Why? Well,
why not?
Let me tell you why I hate my job. Let me show you why I hate my job. We're gonna look around a little bit. We got a AAA battery. We got the custom washer fluid reservoir cap right there. Surprised it's not on the guy's head. Power steering, yeah, there's fluid in there.
Oh, no.
Well, we got flavor everywhere. Well, today we're doing a valve cover gasket. We're doing a thermostat assembly. We're going to attempt a headlight restoration. And yo, did they see that? Look, there's a hole. There's a hole in this breather. Right there. Huh. I guess he didn't see that, but I'm doing a valve cover gasket and I got to take that off. And then it's going to be, oh, look, there's another hole right there. It's going to be like, oh, ever since you touched my car, freaking hose is leaking. Well, no. Ever since I seen your car, your hose has been leaking. How's the brake fluid? I'm looking like a little Shrek piss. Alright guys, you know what comes next. Let's take it to a miserable up top. So now that we took it up top, yep, we could see that their thermostat housing is leaking. We can see, ooh-wee, we got a little bit of self-lubricating chassis system happening over here, guys. Looks like we got an oil pan leak. Looks like we got a timing cover leak. And the only reason why I say that is because the oil is way further up. And actually, this might even be just from the oil filter because Honda decides to put a freaking oil filter right there. Why? Whatever, I'm not an engineer. Engineers and mechanics don't get along. And they don't get along for a reason. Oh, it looks like they did a little bit of heat shield repair. Let's see, does it rattle? Is it? Oh, it's holding. Very good. Very, very good. The rust, though, the flavor is taking control. Flavor, take the wheel. Oh, the shaft's looking good, though. Shaft's looking real good. It's not looking like the other ones we see. How's the suspension back here? Yeah, it's flavorful. It's definitely flavorful. Oof. Alright, let's get into the repair. Alright, we got the valve cover out. We had to loosen or take out those nuts over there to lift this up a little bit because it was in the way of getting the valve cover out. So yeah, we got the valve cover out. We're going to have to clean the surface. I already cleaned the valve cover up and installed a new gasket, new spark plug seals. So yeah. We're going to clean that surface and continue. Well, alright, the valve cover is all in. Now we're going to probably eat some lunch or do these headlight restoration. I don't know. I don't want to work on this car. So this is the headlight restoration kit that I am using. It's first time using this kit supplied by the dealer. So we'll see how it does. Yes, just put a little bit there. This kit is for 2 headlights.
Oh, dude, this could be a flamethrower.
I work with children. So this is pretty much like a Scotch-Brite pad. You see how all that old plastic's there? Hopefully. Just hopefully this will get all this Gugat's plastic out of there. Well, you know what, guys? Let's add a little water. I don't know if I'm supposed to, but we'll see if it helps. Oh, it looks like it is helping. Alright, I feel a little better, guys. I feel a little better about this. I feel a little better. Oh yeah, I feel a little better. I don't think it's gonna get it all out, but should get most of it out, and it'll definitely be better. I just hope they look the same.
Better get it all out. That's what I'm paying for.
So what are you gonna taped off? Is it just corrosive to the paint?
Well, no, it's a Scotch-Brite pad. I don't want to scratch the paint. But then again, there has to be freaking paint on the bumper to scratch.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Keep it nice and soapy.
Oh yeah, you know, we all like it when it's nice and soapy.
Pounding it for a while, it's gonna be wet for a while.
Oh no. Alright guys, let's give it a wipe down. Let's see how bad I did. Let's see how much I suck. Yeah, these lights are pretty far gone, and this, I don't want to say the kit sucks, but you guys be the judge. I'll put the clear on and it'll look better, but all this stuff right here, you could still almost feel it. And this is not wet sanding, you know, like you got to treat it like wet sand, but it's not 400 grit, it's not 600, it's none of that stuff. And yeah, I'm not happy with the results yet. I'm not finished, but I'm definitely not happy with it. It will look better, but I'm not happy. All right, now we got the step 2. We'll see how this goes, guys. Let's see. I know it's gonna make it look good, but I don't know how good it's gonna look. Let's get a little bit more on there. From down here. Well, it's not going to look that bad. It's not going to look good. Now we just let it sit for a little bit. And you know what? I'm going to go eat lunch. Alright guys, I'm going to let you know right now. I am not happy with this kit. Yeah, the lights look better. They look better than what they came in with, but I don't know if you could see it if you look closely. There's still stuff I couldn't get off there. The driver's side was so much worse than the passenger side. I could still see a strip right here. I could still see a strip right there. Now granted, the clear coat is still wet, so we'll see how it looks after that, but I'm not happy. I'm never going to recommend this service, at least with that kit right there. I'm not going to recommend it again. And especially, it's a freaking Honda coming to a Toyota dealership. Like, come on now. But still, I've done headlight restorations before. We've done them on the channel before. And they come out looking great. But when the headlight's too far gone, you gotta sand. You have to wet sand. And you gotta move up in the grit. This kit only came with a freaking Scotch-Brite pad. Like, yeah, it'll take the yellow out, but it's not going to take that heavy crap out. Ugh. Whatever. We're going to let it dry, and we're going to move on to the thermostat housing.